U.S. snow alert, historic winter snow. The storm hits California, Washington, and Oregon. Record snowfall. Emily Hendon on Express UK reports it's already started. A historic winter storm dumped 3 feet of snow in parts of western United States, smashing records with low temperatures. As we know, we're in a solar minimum, and we expect colder weather. Extreme weather. Now, snow has hit the United States, California, Oregon, Washington, Montana, Idaho, Nevada, and Utah. And from the earlier hours today, when we were taking beautiful shots of Old Faithful, it was snowing. If you see that about 10 videos back, we had a very good video of an eruption. The camera was working fine, and we had snow flurries up in Yellowstone supervolcano in the park. Now, snow has hit all those states. The so-called winter storm began blasting parts of the West up to 3 feet of snow this weekend. The massive amount smashing records with further low temperatures, with heavy snow, strong winds, blizzard conditions forecast for today. Meteorologist Ivan Cabrera of CNN said, if the forecast pans out, this would rival or surpass the 1934 winter storm, which was for many areas the top early season snowfall event on record. Well, usually we get it around the 1st of November. Low maximum temperatures records are possible through Monday, especially across northern Great Basin, Rockies, and Northern California. The agency issued winter weather advisories as a result of the cold snap for parts of California. The advisory is valid through 5 p.m. local time Monday, September 30th. NWS warns of snow-covered roads, slippery roads, reduced visibility, travel delays. The weather warnings are in place from western Plumas County, Lassen Park, and West Slop, northern Sierra Nevada. The agency urged residents to be prepared for snow-covered roads and limited visibilities, using caution while driving, added that the latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. And I wonder how many people have already put on snow tires. I'm sure a lot of people have not. Montana Governor Steve Bullock declared a winter storm emergency in his state. He said, with an unprecedented winter storm throwing our state a surprise in September, state and local governments are working closely together to protect the health and safety of the Montanans, and our top priority is making sure that happens. Great Falls, Montana got a preliminary reading of 9.7 inches of snow on Saturday, which would set a new daily snowfall record, beating the previous record in 1954 by 3.6 inches. High winds downed trees and power lines, forcing temporarily closures to some roads and triggered cellular and power outages. Now, the town of Browning, near Glacier National Park recorded 40 inches of snow on Sunday. Also, more than a foot of snow fell in parts of northeastern Washington. One of the cities in the area, Spokane, got much less snow, but it was the area's first recorded September snow since 1926. In Oregon, the National Weather Service reported hail and wind damage from gusts of up to 55 miles an hour. In Portland, the Cascade Mountains got up to 10 inches of snow, where the Weather Service Portland's office tweeted, "It's a winter wonderland up in the Cascades." If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, You will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.